I'm in the shop and I'm ready for an unboxing. Today we will get out of this box the new Aprilia 457. This is the middleweight beast from the Italian manufacturer. Let's check it out. So Aprilia finally takes care of the middleweight market because it was a shortage from the Italians on this market. So it's I think the benchmark right now, just by judging, crunching the numbers, you have like 175 kilograms and 47.5 HP, which is very good. You have traction control, you have a quick shifter, you have a nice mounted exhaust underneath the engine, TFT dash, LED lights. So it might be the best out there. We have to test it, we have to put it against the others in the market. But first, let's take it out of the box. We haven't checked the box, but we hope inside is the 457. Let's check it out, because after the straps, it comes the part where we show you the bike. And the bike, it's here, but it's yellow. It's not a Vespa, it's a 457. Here's the front area, here's the tail. I think we have to work out some more. I have to remove lots of things over here, but the work will be satisfying when we will start the engine. So, on the job. Oh, as a disclaimer, my leg suffered a small injury, so no worries for that. I'm recovering, small enduro accident, the ligaments and some of the bones. So right now, walking, jogging, everything is good, but unboxing first. So this is the yellow foil that I cannot remove. I will put it down. Another foil. This bike is super well packed. This is the first time I unbox an Aprilia or a bike that has so many coverages so it won't be scratched. Oh, it's coming to light. The tail unit looks very good. The seat seems comfortable enough. You have some huggers for the pillions. You have this nice comfy seat. It looks like the one on the RS, the Big Brother. You have the rear pegs for the passenger. And check out this beautiful color. It's called Racing Stripes. It's the Aprilia red with black and this nicely finished frame. Everything is superb. I hope I won't scratch it. It will be a good idea to remove this one first. Huh? What do you say, camera guy? Okay. I'm good at recycling. Huh? What do you say? They will hire me or not? I can make a living out of this. So we remove first these two bolts, left and right, and then we will be able to get this side of the bike unveiled. You have to keep these things every time, because you don't know when you need them. Sometimes you have to thread the camera guy in order for him to work, so do your work. Let's go to unbox. I don't know what we can find in these two boxes, but I'm super eager to find out. This is not a good idea with a cutting edge towards the bike, but I'll do it in my hand. Let's see what's inside. Oh, the acid for the battery. Nice. So this one goes inside. I think this one is the battery. Oh, they deliver it with a battery. Like no, these are the books that you have to read. I think the battery is on the bike, but you have to pour the acid inside. So, although it's a maintenance-free battery, you have to do it first. Nice. Come closer. This front end is superb. Man, with the Aprilia written like this here, I remember the MotoGP team. It's just the same as the MotoGP one. Starting from the front, going to the back, you have this beautiful disc over here, a large one with 4 caliper pot in the front, 41mm fork with adjustments here for preload. This 333 yoke that looks like the ones on the superbike machines, I think this one is not light. This looks like a clip-on, but it's not a clip-on. I think you can change the bar. Otherwise, it's a sport touring position. TFT 5-inch dash in the front, this large fairing which will protect you from the wind, backlit switch gear left and right, 2 keys I'm the one that always loses the keys, beautiful colors, engine with 35 kilowatts, you have like 47.5 HP. Optionally you can add up the quick shifter, it's a must if you're thinking about going on the track. What else? This beautiful fairing over here that goes along with your legs. It throws the hot air left and right and it will skip the leg. So in hot summer days you won't be you won't get too hot. The wheels are looking superb. You have a set of tires that are written with the Aprilia logo on them. I didn't knew that so far. It's a different manufacturer that I never heard of, but let's face it, these bikes are looking superb and I can't wait to go on track with it, to go on street with it, so I can check the engine, the feeling of it, the way it heats up, the vibration level, and the way it pulls, because you have riding modes, and we will start it in a second for you guys to do a sound check. Because of that battery acid, we are not able to put the electrolyte inside the battery, so we cannot start the bike, this one. But we have this one over here, which is a different color, is the second theme that you can get, and also you can get a white one. Let's see the dash first, because we can put some juice in this one. So it's coming to life. It says Aprilia, be a racer. I'm a racer. What else? Let's do it like this, like this. And we have the lap times over here, best lap, top speed, rain mode. I can change the mode from here. I know it's from Aprilia. Sport, you have the traction control setup over here. You have the eco mode, and I think you have the sport mode also, which is with the traction control on 2, eco with the traction control on 3, rain with the traction control on 3. You can switch off the traction control also, but you cannot switch off the ABS because of European regulations. Enough talking. Let's give it to the bike. Let's hear her talking. It has quite a grunt, it's super powerful, and although it's Euro 5 Plus, man, this bike comes alive pretty nice. Although the exhaust is pretty small, I know it's Euro 5 Plus and it's fitted underneath the bike. The wheels are superb, superb combination with this superb color. I don't know how to keep this matte something green or I don't know. It's a beautiful, it's a gray green with accents. It's coming out with the flakes. If you see it from a side, it looks green, purple from another side. It's superb. The whole bike looks very good. But you know what we didn't so far? We didn't stand on it. So let's go on the bike. Whoa! How does it feel? 175 kilograms. The position is quite relaxed. So my leg is not that crouched. I'm 1.8 meters. So this is quite relaxed. The handlebars are super wide and you have lots of leverage over here. You can go easily between cars and switch direction fast. Enough from here. I'm super happy that I got to unbox the new Aprilia 457, and this is the first part. Next, we will come up with a review on track and on street and everyday use with this new baby from Aprilia. Can't wait to do it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys will click the subscribe buttons over there. Leave a comment, tell us what you like, what would you like us to do in the future, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.